Anyone coming? Yeah. I'll wait for you to come. I'll wait for you to come. I'm sorry. That was a mistake. Yeah. I try to like do something. I try to use the phone, but 종료를 눌러버렸어요. It was a mistake. I'm sorry. Well, it's like 8:47. Someone asked me, long hair or short hair, which one do you prefer? Actually, they're so different. I mean, like, when I like, 이게 머리가 짧은 게 뭔가 머리빨이 없어요. 긴 머리는 머리빨이 있는데 짧은 머리는 머리빨이 없어요. I don't know how to say that in English. Yeah. Did I actually accidentally end my life? Yeah, I did. I'm sorry. I'll try not to. What's my favorite color? My favorite color? It's 보라색. It's a light blue, but it's not light blue. It's light blue, kind of like ashy light bluey, kind of purple, but it's not purple. Yeah. Oh no, you know the color. You know the color I wore in my selfie that I just posted that I'm gonna do Facebook Live. That's the color, my favorite color. The color of my dress. That's my favorite color. Yeah. I mean, if I see that color, I have to have it. You know what I mean? Like, if there's, I like a tank top, and there's all kind of colors, but it has that color, then I want that color. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? Do you guys have a favorite color? I like but like I like colors that are cool toned, like white. I don't know if white's cool tone. Anyways, I like cool tones. I do cool tone like makeup too. A real life marshmallow doing live stream. Why am I a marshmallow? Some of my fans call me that I'm a marshmallow. Why am I a marshmallow? Do I look chubby or something? Thank you. I love to be a marshmallow. I like marshmallows. Yeah. Oh, 'cause I have cute cheeks. Ooh. Thank you. I won't do that again. Anyways, I had a great time with you guys. What's that? I just touched it and it got something on my face. I missed you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. Probably I won't be alone next time because I'm really bad talking alone. Yeah. Maybe other members together. That'd be much more fun because it's not gonna be that quiet. Anyways, hope to see my Singapore Marys very soon. When our music video comes out. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Peace. Bye-bye. Bye.